Hi everybody, this is Ryan at Halo Inc. and today I'm going to show you how to get files from your computer into your shared folder on Google Drive. So once you have your photos on the computer from your phone, what you're going to do is from your Gmail, you're going to fight with the mouse and you're going to click on this little drop down here, Google Apps, and then we're going to go to Google Drive. Once we get to Google Drive, we're going to go to Shared With Me, and then we've got this Halo Inc. projects, and we're just going to go ahead and jump into there. And we're uploading Chris's photos right now, so we're just going to double click on his. And then we're going to tab over to where we have all our photos saved. And what we're going to do is we're going to do a Control A to select all, or you would select the ones that you want, and you should just be able to drag and drop them in. And there they go. Now you wait, and that's it.